What's going on, everybody? I'm Steve. Today we're going to talk about long-term dividend investing. By now, if you're watching this video, you probably watched the other investing videos, and you know who Warren Buffett is. Warren Buffett, for those who don't know, is one of the greatest investors in American history and possibly the world. With a net worth of $90 billion, I think. He laid a blueprint out for everybody to follow. And I've been following that blueprint for the past 7 years. What I do and what he's done and taught us as investors is to put your money in big name stocks, winning stocks. A lot of times people call them boring stocks, but you know, the term is the term. Blue chip stocks, stocks that pay a dividend, and they're usually stocks that are too big to fail. And when I say too big to fail, in his own words, an idiot could run it. And he says a lot of idiots do run companies, but you know, it is what it is. The reason what prompted me to make this video is with the present way the market is right now, you're going to see, or you're going to know from a lot of people that you're around, and you'll hear from a lot of people talking on TV, places, you know, where they talk about money, marketing, and stocks and stuff like that. And you'll hear a lot of crazy advice. But to invest like Warren Buffett, put your money in blue chip stocks, hold the stock forever. And it sounds crazy, but in his words, the easiest way to make money in the stock market is to buy a good company and then sit on your hands. If you sit on your hands, you're not going to sell it, whether it goes up or down. A good investor should be able to deal with the storms, whether it's sunny or rainy. If your stock goes down 40%, if you know it's a good company, stick with it. I would stick with it. Now, it's not me. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who likes stocks and investing and loves talking about it. When you're dealing with picking these companies, what I personally like to do is I like to go at companies that I know, you know, usually are American companies that are not growth companies. Long-term dividend plays is what I'm going for. So, like me, this is what I'm doing, guys. Coca-Cola is the stock I own. AT&T is the stock I own. I'm a fanboy of AT&T. Don't tell nobody. But they pay good dividends. And they pay dividends year after year. And those companies aren't going nowhere anytime soon. I'll be gone and off this planet before those companies go. And Coca-Cola, I've been around for like 100 years, I think. And the dividend's still strong, still pays, and it'll always pay. Companies like that, where you are connected into a company where you don't even have to run it. And that's the thing about dividend investing. You can buy companies, and that's another thing that makes America so great. You can buy companies and buy in a part of companies without even doing nothing except clicking the mouse to accept the trade. Anybody can get rich. Anybody. I don't know the name of that janitor that had, I think it was UPS or FedEx stock and been buying it forever. And when he died, he had like $8 million off of $22,000 a year salary. How can you do that? You might ask yourself, hey, I make $22,000 a year. How can I do it? The secret is discipline. Find out what it is you want to do. Get your investment strategy right. Figure out. Consolidate your portfolio and go get your stocks. Whether they go up or down, you dollar cost average, which is buying it every month, month in and month out, whether it's up or down. and it'll give you the happy medium. Every time you're buying shares of stock, your dividend is growing. So every quarter or every month, depending on what stock you have and how their dividend payout is, you're getting paid. Profits from the business. It don't get no easier than that, folks. Johnson & Johnson. These are stocks, I'm naming stocks that I have. Johnson & Johnson. Bank of America. JP Morgan Chase. Just brought some of that today. Opportunities are there. And at today's date, and where we're going at right now, if you don't have a stock account, this is the time to jump in. Everybody says, I got people that say, oh, I'm going to wait till the stock market goes down. I'm going to wait till the prices get right. How you know what the prices are? You ain't never invested in anything. How do you know? You don't even know how it operates. Start educating yourself. Get these books. Watch YouTube. But be careful of everything you hear on YouTube. Especially me. Especially, I was a person that was believing a lot of stuff I heard on YouTube. But you got to understand, the only person that can pick your stocks is you. So have sound judgment, sound mind, and sound reasoning. Don't get caught up in the name of a company because you think it's hot right now. Do your due diligence. Study. The company's history. See where they're going in the long run. Keep up with it. When you invest in a company, keep up with the news on the company. You don't have to be on the board or anything, but just keep up. Act like you're a part of the company, because you are. You brought it. Now, it might be a small amount that you brought originally, but over time, that stacks up and stacks up and stacks up. The world is ours. The time is now. Go out. I implore you. Go out and learn about it. It might be for you. And then again, it might not be for you. But it's for me. I love it. And I like sharing knowledge. I like sharing experience and excitement. In closing, I'd like to say this to you. Do you want to be a millionaire? Do you want to retire early? Do you want financial freedom? If you do, the stock market can help you. Well, investing. I don't want to say stock market. Stock market is investing. Investing is the stock. Investing in the stock market. We'll take it like that. But I just wanted to drop that on y'all. I was just thinking about it. And it all comes down to the decision you want to make as far as your future. I'm Steve, as usual. Like and subscribe. I upload videos daily. And hopefully I'll get a chance to... Okay. I'll tell you who that is in a second. Wait a minute. I'll be done in a second. All right. Okay. I know. You're like grumpy old man. Hey, I'm signing off. And appreciate you spending time with me. Like and subscribe. Show your support of the channel. I enjoy doing this. But I still want to grow the community. Got a lot of fun videos coming up. And I just appreciate you taking the time with me again. So let me get over here and talk to Charlie Munger, because he wants to go to the beach. It's hot out here in Texas right now, so I told him I'd walk with him. But we'll take it from there. I'm Steve, signing off, and I'll see you later. Come on, Charlie. Oh.